In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up automatic invoicing in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Before you do anything else, confirm that you are working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one business or account, because invoices and customer records are tied to the account you are currently using. From the left-hand sidebar, click Customers. This will take you to the list of customer profiles in your Stripe account. Find the customer you want to invoice and open their profile. If the customer does not exist yet, click Add Customer and create a new customer profile first. Enter the customer details you need, save the profile, and then open it. Once you are inside the customer profile, click Create Invoice. Stripe will open a new invoice draft for that customer. From here, add the products or invoice items you want to bill. Make sure each line item is correct. Enter the right quantity, price, and any other billing details needed for the invoice. Take a moment to check that the items match exactly what you intend to charge. Next, locate the payment collection section. In this area, choose Charge Automatically as the payment collection method. This setting tells Stripe to attempt payment using the customer's saved payment method instead of sending the invoice for manual payment. After that, confirm that the customer has a valid payment method saved to their Stripe profile. This step matters because automatic collection will only work if a usable payment method is attached to the customer. If needed, update the customer profile before moving on. Now review the full invoice carefully. Check the customer name, invoice items, quantities, prices, and the total amount. Make sure everything is accurate before you finalize it. When you are ready, click Finalize Invoice. Once the invoice is finalized, Stripe will attempt to automatically charge the customer's saved payment method based on the invoice settings you selected. After that, go to the Invoices section in your Stripe dashboard to track the result. Open the invoice and check its status to confirm whether the payment was successfully collected. If the payment goes through, if there is a problem with the payment method or the charge fails, Stripe will show that in the invoice status so you can follow up and make any needed changes. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.